everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for the Panner's Pan. This was created by Liz, aka Kooky Pans, over on Instagram. It is all about paying homage to the panning community and the panners within it. And it's a really good way to like showcase people that you are watching. It's also a great way, if you're watching other panners do this project, to find new panners that you would like to check out and possibly follow. So yeah, this is just all about panners and the painting community. It's about building community and really appreciating one another. And I love this project so much. It is absolutely brilliant. And I am doing 10 products and 10 panners at a time. Some people are doing a little bit less. Then there's Paula, who's crazy, and I love her to bits. She is doing this progressive, so she adds someone new in every single update, whether she's finished anything or not, which, whew, I applaud your girlfriend, because that's a lot of work. All right, I am going to get into this. I'm going to go through everyone as I brought them in. I do have some rolling out this month, and I will be rolling in 2 more panners and some products to go with those panners. So I'm just, like I said, going to go through them in order that they were in this project. First one is from my girl Dana. If you don't know her, she is Eyeshadow Junkie at Heart on Instagram. You guys really need to go check her out. She is awesome, and just my girl. I talk to her every single day. I picked the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects in Regulate. I do actually have it tapped onto my lips today. Sometimes I wear it on my lips, sometimes I wear it on my eyes. I was at this blue line. I finally was able to get it to settle. Last time I am just like at the bottom of this blue line, not enough where you can actually see any like difference in it. But yeah, so from the top of the blue line to the very bottom, I've made a little bit of progress. That's going to be in here for a while. The next one is my girl Nona. My girl Nona, I love her to pieces too. Like, I love everyone in here. I just love this community. But Nona, I did a like a collab with her a while back with the Honey palette with her and Amanda, and we created a look. So I pulled out a shadow from that palette because it makes me think of her. And I chose the pressed glitter, which is Palooza. And like, I have expanded the pan ever so slightly, which is awesome. But again, Nona's going to be in here for a while because, you know, I'm not going to be wearing like yellow orange glitter on my eyes every single day. So Nona's going to be hanging out with me for a bit. I'm okay with that. I'm totally okay with that. All right, next to Amber F. Of course, I had to pick something from an Urban Decay Naked palette because she is the Pan That Palette Queen. She created it, and it all started with Urban Decay Naked palettes. So a while ago, I depotted my Naked 2 palette, and this is teas from that palette. I'm going to attempt to finish it. The dip has gotten significantly deeper. It is not something I use regularly, but I use it enough. So hopefully I can get that done this year, but much like Dana and Nona, Amber's going to be hanging out for a while with me too. All right, let me scroll up on my spreadsheet here because you know how that goes. All right, my next girl, Claire Elizabeth. She has been with me for a while. I've panned with her for a very long time, and this was a shadow that I did actually hit pan on in a project with her in the past from 2017. It was a really pretty light pink shimmer shade. It is now gone, and I'm kind of sad because I'm sad that Claire is leaving this project for now, and I'm sad that the shadow is gone because it was super pretty, very versatile. I could use it on my lids, I could use it on my inner corners, I could actually use it as a face highlight. It was just that versatile for me, and I really, really enjoyed it a whole lot. All right, I'm going to put that off to the side. Let's see. Whew. I'm a little out of breath. I've been running up and down stairs today. That's why I'm all like hot and sweaty, and it's rainy and gross. It's just that day. Let's see now. We have Rebecca, who is panning and stuff, though she's changed her name on YouTube. I'm trying to remember if she changed it on Instagram too. I'm sure she did, but she'll always be panning and stuff to me. I don't know why. That's the way she's in my head because that's the way I've known her for years. So I chose, it's not empty. It's not done. This is not one of my empties. this Jane Iredale potted lipstick because she had, I think it was a Vice lipstick palette. She panned one like eons ago, and I always think of how quickly and effectively she panned that palette. So I chose a potted lipstick for her, and I'm throwing the pan. I've actually frankened it with some other things. It is in here now. So she is going to be in this project until this is done. And I'm not currently working on this one in my weekly makeup basket. I need to get it put into my weekly makeup basket, but it is not being worked on. I know she's probably going to be in here for at least another 2 months. Again, totally okay with that. A lot of these people are like my OG panners, like people I'm either like I'm close with as far as like friends in real life, or I just love to watch them, and I've been watching them for quite some time. So, you know, these are my people. All right, moving on to Emily, aka Emily and Max. Everyone knows who she is. She is attempting to get her entire collection cruelty-free, so I picked something that is non-cruelty-free, like her trying to move stuff out that isn't cruelty-free. This is the Exuviance Performance Peel. Started with 13 of these. As of last update, I had 5 left. I have used 2 more, so I have 3 left in this thing. 3. I don't know if I'm going to have them done by the next update. It just depends on what my skin needs, because I'm not going to use them if my skin doesn't need it. But I could potentially roll out next month or the month after. That's what I'm thinking, like 1 to 2 updates, and then that one should be rolled out. Whew, it is hot and humid here today. Okay, moving on to my girl Danny. She recently hit 1,000 subscribers, and I love it. I absolutely love it. She deserves it. She is a hardcore panner, and she's awesome. She's my girl. She's like my sister from another mister, because we have a lot in common. We really do. So I am working on hitting pan in Royalty. This is from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. When she started 100% cruelty-free Project Pan, she was attempting to hit pan in all of her Morphe shadows. So that's just, you know, that's what I think of. And that's what I'm attempting. It is getting a nice deep dip. We're not there. I could potentially hit that by the next update if I really focus on it. And this is currently in my makeup basket, so it could happen soon. And then let's see, the next 2, because these 2 ladies, in my mind, they belong together. They do. I mean, they're worlds apart. They don't even live in the same country. But I don't know, I just think of them together because I like kind of experience them together. So I have Steph Lyons and Delyn, who is Outward Processing. They created Partners in Cream. So I picked 2 cream products for them. For Steph, I have Electric Daisy, which is the green. And you can see my progress. Wow, words, Jessica. Progress lines. Not amazing to go from this purple to the red. I hadn't been wearing this as frequently, and I've been forgetting to put it in like my rotation. Like, it's in my basket, but when I'm thinking about doing eye looks, for some reason I forget to put that in. So very, very little progress on this one. Slightly more on Prance. For Delyn, you can see I was at this purple and I'm down to the red. Not amazing difference, but we're working on it. I'm just kind of curious, comparison, how they're going. They're pretty daggone close. Look at that. Which is kind of funny. It's kind of, they belong together. The progress should be together. It makes sense in my little brain. All right, moving on to my girl Kana. She just had her birthday. Happy birthday, girlfriend. I put in, I want to say 2 updates ago, a bunch of perfume samples. It was 14 to be exact, and I still had some more to go to get them all done. And the last ones I have actually finished. So Kana is going to be rolling out. I finished 14 perfume samples for my girl, and so she is rolling out. That is the last of everyone that was in. So I have 2 empties, which is the eyeshadow and then the 14 perfume samples. I need to bring in 2 new panners and some more products. So, wasn't even initially planned this way. It just worked out. But the next panner that I'm going to bring in, I'm actually filming on her birthday. So by the time you guys see this, her birthday would have been yesterday. I'm just happening to film it on her birthday. So Victoria, happy birthday to you, girlfriend. Victoria, I have been in contact with for years. She is super sweet and she's super low key, which is part of why I like her. And we're kind of generationally similar. We are in the same decade, so to speak, as far as our ages. So like I just love Victoria so much. She is like a kind, gentle soul, and she is just one of those types of people that is just she's a quiet panner. She does pan and she uses her stuff, but she's not flashy about it. She just does her thing. And a couple of years ago, I don't even remember how many years ago now, I had finished up a nail polish in Project Polish, and I really missed it. I wasn't really sure what the name of it was. It was an OPI Mini, and she had sent me a message saying that she has a nail polish that she thinks might be it, that she had multiples of, and could she send it to me, which I thought was the sweetest thing in the world. She's just that person. And she did send it to me along with 2 other nail polishes from OPI. These are the 3 polishes that she sent me right here. We have, if I can read this tiny letters, do you see what I see is the blue. The purpley pink is Susie and the 7 Dusseldorfs. And then Take the Stage, which is the one that I was missing. I'm not sure if this is the exact same one or not because it's been a long time, but it was like a beautiful metallic-y kind of orange like this. And I just, like, I love these colors, especially in fall. So for Victoria, I am going to do, for 3 nail polishes, I'm going to do 3 uses each. And that is what my goal is going to be. Man, I'm like sweating and getting like all like shiny again. But for Victoria, happy belated birthday, girlfriend, these 3 polishes and 3 uses each. So it's going to take me a little bit because I'm still working on my Project Polish, but this gives me a little something like more fun to play with, at least for a little while. All right, and the next person, also same generation. It just kind of worked out that way. Jaylon. Have to bring her in. She's my girl. She is like, she's a curly girl like me. And again, same generation. And I don't know. We just kind of, we see eye to eye. We have a lot of similarities. I could have brought in any kind of body product because, like me, she can go through body products super fast. But I decided that I was going to be a little bit different, and I was going to go with her Child of the 80s project that is in the Fantastic Ladies. There are 40 prompts all about the 80s, so I did a random on my phone. I'm going to insert that right now. And as you see, I got number 15, which is Princess Bride, and that is an item that you love. So I thought this would be a good representation for Jaylon. So an item that I love is pretty much anything Shea Moisture. I love them. And this is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler with sea kelp and argan oil. Like any of their conditioners, I pretty much love because I got a lot of hair, and my goal is actually going to be to finish this thing. If you can see, it is up to here. I will mark that as soon as I'm done filming. But for Jaylon, this is what I got. All right, now that I'm overheating, my camera's starting to overheat, and I've been talking forever, I'm going to wrap this up because I got stuff to get done. My kids are asleep, and my husband's waiting on me. So, yeah. If you want to join in, by all means, please join in. Definitely check out some of the panners that I have mentioned today. They're going to be listed down below. Hope you love them as much as I do. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.